Hello, everyone. My name is Ozzer Shaw. I am a physical therapist and now budding full stack web developer through Flatiron School online program. And I want to introduce my new app called Nose Pickers to those who are or who were brave enough and curious enough to check out this video. Just a little background, I decided to make this app because nowadays, living in this COVID-19 pandemic, um, it's been difficult to interact with people. And a lot of stores have been shut down temporarily. And even when they reopen under limited basis. One type of store that was particularly affected were places where you can leave donations, like Goodwill. They closed, so people had a hard time being able to donate things, which was unfortunate. And what I wanted to do was create an app that allowed people to still sort of unofficially donate their goods by placing them in the alleyway behind their homes. For those of you who are unfamiliar with St. Louis, we have alleys that run behind all of the houses in the city. And the nice thing about having an alley is you can park your car in the back, but by law, you're required to have your address on your garage, which is behind your house. So even driving down an alleyway, you know the house numbers. So what I thought was, why don't I create an app that would allow people to place items that they want to give away in their alley with a marker and a list of items available so that people can come to this website, look at the different markers, see if there's things that they want, and then drive and take them. And then once they've picked up those items, either the person who donated them can go onto the website when they see that their items are gone and eliminate the marker or eliminate whatever items have been taken from the list, or the person picking up the stuff can go on the website and then do it. Future versions of this will hopefully have notifications. So if you're looking for a particular item and you're driving near a marker that has that item, you'll get a notification. And I would also like to add in some functionality, including filters, so to only display markers that have items that you're interested in. So without further ado, let's get into how this works. So here's a landing page. You can see it's centered on St. Louis. I'm using Google Maps API and Google Maps Geocoder API. This is a JavaScript front end with a Rails API backend. It's very clean. I wanted to make sure that it is a single page application and it does not require you to scroll to see the full page. That was important to me. I like things clean, simple, neat, efficient, and easy to use. And hopefully my instructions are pretty straightforward. I might tweak them here and there based on input. So if you want to create an address, you click the create address button. You type in whatever address. I'm going to type in mine. You add an address. It's create an address object. Let's add in some chairs. I'm going to add another item, and how about a table? We're going to submit it. And as you can see, when you hover over the marker, it displays the address with the list of items available. Let's create another one. Let's do sort of a random one. We'll put this one on Arsenal. Oh, one other thing. If you don't include a zip code, you will get a warning that it is unable to find an address that matches that. I'm just sticking with the zip code in my area. Let's add in this one. We'll do some of my test data. And we're going to submit. So there's a second marker. Forky and Sassy are the two items available at 4241 Arsenal. And a set of chairs and a table are available at 3943 Juniata. If you click on either one of these, you'll get a form over here, which will allow you to delete whatever items were taken. And if all the items are taken, you can even delete the marker. So let's delete the table from here. And if we update it, there we go, table is gone. And if I do delete marker, marker's completely gone. The other option is, say the nice thing about having this form that pops up on the right-hand side is the items appear in a larger size font. And I think they're a little easier to read, but you can close out of that window if you want. Anyway, that is the rundown of this very basic, but I am hoping useful app. I'd like to get people in my neighborhood to start using it because it is not uncommon to find stuff in the alleyways that people are giving away. Hope you enjoy it. Have a good day.